Salesforce CPQ stands for Configure, Price, Quote. And you might be surprised that 4,800 plus companies around the world use the Salesforce CPQ solution as per publicly available data. Very interestingly, Salesforce is also slowly phasing out CPQ as a solution, but still, the perils of testing CPQ and its successor remains, as we'll see in the next slide. While CPQ is a boon for sales ops and marketing ops teams, as you can see from the UI, it looks beautiful with all the quotes and the quote lines. Here we are on a standard edit quote screen. You can not only edit the quotes, but you can add new products, have discounts, and provide other actions for the sales ops and marketing ops users as well. The real beauty of this lies in the HTML. If I inspect this page, it's a nightmare for test engineers and test automation engineers alike. Just count with me. There are at least 4 levels of shadow DOM over here. One here, one inside that, and then progressively inside those pieces as well. So let's say if I have to work on the subscription term item, it might inside be shadow DOMs and layers of iframes. This is where most of the automation tools, frameworks, scripts, and code break, because the automation test is not able to pierce through these multiple levels of shadow DOM. And God forbid, if you have customizations, it makes the life of a test automation script and a test engineer much more difficult to take care for the automation of such systems. Beautiful on the outside, shadow DOMs on the inside. However, using TestZeus, you can automate all of this using natural language, as you will see in the next section. So here we are testing a complicated CPQ workflow wherein we add a product to the quote and then check the values, are they correctly calculated or not. If you just read to the test case, while it is seeming very simple about clicking the quote, editing the lines on that quote, noting down the quote total value. Now, as you can see, it's all natural language. You can just ask the TestZeus AI agents to note down the quote total value and then check it later in the last assertion. And in the middle, we add products with a certain product and then calculate the total quote value. So when we run this test case, as we can see, the test case itself has passed. All the artifacts are captured. And then we also see that on the UI, our agents were able to figure out all the complicated tables, headers, product, code, lines, and other items, including the invoice value. Now, while this is a smaller example, we do have a mega example as well. Now look at this test case. Here we are not only doing the small flow that we saw earlier, we're actually starting the journey from the account creation. So we create a new account, a contact from it, and then an opportunity from that contact. With that opportunity, we save the relevant details and then also create a quote from it. After that, we continue the same flow when we add a product and check the quote total value. All natural language, our agent is able to run this entire test case without any complications, any code, and then also give you the results. So as we can see, we were able to automate CPQ without any issues using just natural language and the power of AI agents. Wasn't that simple? You can try it on your own. Just go to our website and book a demo or start a free trial with us. More than happy to walk you through the easy way of CPQ test automation on Salesforce. See you. Bye-bye.